Say, someday Daddy will be grateful.
Hey. Hey. Hey, what are you doing? Nothing. Thatcher's laughing it up over here. What's your guys' schedule today?
Well, not anymore. No. No.
What's Scott doing? Is he going to the 2 o'clock or is he
Are you
going
gonna
to
laugh again? Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh, okay.
You are going crazy. Oh, are you done laughing?
Alright.
Are you done laughing?
Okay, well, I don't know, I'm not sure what time we're coming over.